Welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Two cars in this vlog. We have the red M140 sitting on our Stance Plus kit, and then this brand new M135i also on our new Stance Plus kit. Let us know which one you think's best. So we've got this M140 back in today. It's already been in previously for the Motech Stance Plus springs, which is a 30 front, 25 rear, 12 and 15mm spaces. Looks perfect. Customers also added maxed in kit, front sides, rear diffuser. No top spoiler yet, maybe we can bully him into buying one of those as well. Canards and mirror caps done in the gloss black to really finish the theme off. Love red and black, one of my favourites. Imola Red's also quite a rare car. Car also has the top strut base by Ultra Racing, and today we just fitted the Motech intake system. Really nice upgrade. You already had the inlet tube and the drop-in panel filter, which is 50% the sound. This is 100% the sound. We'll try and get some sound clips of the car. They do sound really good under load. Compare that with the full Remus exhaust on an early non-OPF car. They sound amazing, really good. Probably one of the best sounding M-like cars out there. Big fan of these. We're still starting to see a number of them through the door. As you know, we built a business on them. So if it's something you're interested in or anything on this car you want to know more information about, please just let us know down below. So as you can see, this looks stunning. I'm a big fan of white. M Performance body kit from BMW. This car is pretty much brand new. I think it's only a couple of weeks old. So it's now currently sitting on our Stance Plus kit, which is 35mm front, 30mm rear with 10mm square spacer setup. Looks really perfect. Yeah, again, with this kit, like we said in previous vlogs, when this kit starts to come out and put on a standard car, it works well. But as soon as you start adding performance front, sides, aero fins, etc., it really does need something else a bit more aggressive, and that's where this kit fits in perfectly. Customer also opted for the gloss black wing badges just to finish it off, give it a bit more of a unique touch rather than just being completely BMW. Hopefully we'll see him back in for a Remus. If so, I'm sure we'll be able to film that one as well. Let us know so far what you think of this lower stance kit for this particular F40 M135i, and enjoy the B-roll on the grey one we already had in last week as well. Thanks a lot.